Looking for a beautiful home in an Alamo Ranch gated community? Look no further. This gorgeous well-maintained one-story home sits on a 70 feet wide lot with a 3-car garage. Built by Highland Homes, this open floor plan has 11-foot ceilings throughout with tons of windows, 3 full baths, large primary suite with extended seating area, fireplace, retrofitted with gas logs, granite counter island kitchen with wall of cabinets, and a study/office. All carpet was replaced last year with luxury vinyl planks in the bedrooms and closets, replaced the gas cooktop with a 5-burner KitchenAid, and dishwasher is a super quiet Bosch. House is equipped with full gutters and yard has Wi-Fi app-controlled full sprinkler system. All windows, except for the living room, have solar screens. Less than a mile to 1,600.